So, hey guys, it's me, Toys and More here. Today we're going to be doing a review on this really cool Big Bird play sound book from Sesame Street, Smile, Say Cheese.
Smile, say cheese.
And this book is actually rare and hard to find if you ask me. And if you have to find them, some of them are expensive, but maybe some are cheap. Depends on the seller. Anyways, let's take a look at it. Anyways, this is the information for the book that we have here. And this thing was made in 1997. And anyways, that is all we have for this book. So please subscribe to this channel for more content.